What's up guys, Sean from Awesome Motoring here. You may be wondering, why am I here? Why am I dressed like this? Why is this video starting off like this? Basically, we're picking up a new car today, so let's get this started. Also, first, I gotta get changed, so 1 second. Alright, I'm back. It's time to go. Alrighty. Let's get the show on the road. Cool. Well, I already went and started my car. Keep the Porsche for a second. Alright. Focus on this though, focus on this. So, the car's a little bit dirty, but I already went and started it. Make sure it can warm up. Stuff my stuff in the back. And oh, you know what I forgot? It's a good thing I just remembered. Alright, so this is what I forgot. This contains all the documents I need to be able to use this thing on the road. And for a little hint of what it's gonna be, I never really actually, yeah, you guys have no clue. I posted something about it on Instagram. If you guys follow Instagram, it's Monster Motoring, at Monster Motoring. But yeah, posted like a little hint, just like a little survey or whatever. But it wasn't anything like, oh, we're getting this. Unlike some of our other posts that just don't work out. But yeah, it's 2J. So I don't know guys, cast your bets now. I'm a little bit dark, jeez. Yeah, it's 2J. So start guessing now. Alright, I'm at the gas station now, so I got a pretty decent amount of gas and we're going up. So after this, go to the bank, pick up the money, and then make my way to my friend's house so that he can drive my car back when I'm driving to the garage. Alright, just left the bank. I got the money. This is not keeping me in exposure, but whatever. Yeah, so heading up to my friend's house right now, and goodness, why won't it focus? It's something else, this camera's racist. Yeah, heading up to my friend right now, so I will meet you guys there. Alright guys, so basically I'm not gonna showcase my friend's address out there, but this is, if you notice, you're gonna see a car inside of, well, under a, like a tarp. That's his car, and he got in an accident. Wasn't his fault, but I'll link his Instagram and stuff right there and show off his car or whatever.
Damn, got a big boy camera today.
Sure is. What's up? Alright guys, so we are like half a mile away from the new car. Whoever went and voted on Instagram, I'm pretty sure 1% of you did. Henry, I know you did if you see this video. But yeah, we're about to see this car. I'm like semi-terrified that something's gonna happen on the way home or the way to the garage. But whatever happens, happens. It was cheap, and you'll see it by the title of the video. So, all right, guys. So we just got the car, just paid for it. See if you can guess, just based off this right here, what this car is. If you guys don't guess this, then you guys need to stop looking at cars. But yeah, I'm excited. So we're gonna go up. So we're gonna make it to the garage, and I'll do a full detail on it, on what it is. Right? Oh man, I have Matt driving behind me right now. He is, I bet he's enjoying that car. Anyways, if you guys couldn't tell before, we are in the Lexus IS 300. This is a 2001. Right now we're going up to the garage right now. We got a decent ways to go, but so far this thing is driving it's very smooth. I wasn't expecting it to be this smooth. The guy did tell us it has a misfire and it's leaking a bit of oil from inside the timing cover, but either way, that's not gonna matter because we're gonna, well, I didn't even tell you the plans for it. Alright, I'm going a little bit off of schedule, built off of task. Let me explain this when I'm stopped and not driving. Alright guys, so we are now at the garage, if this thing will focus. There we go. Yeah. Well, we're in the location. Let me just navigate over here and hold in a second. All right. Park over. Well, actually, you can park right here. Just leave the car there. You can leave the car there.
Leave the car here.
Yeah.
Right here.
You can park right there.
Right here.
Yeah, just leave it there and turn it on. Alright guys, so now put this thing in reverse. Is that reverse? Oh, that's neutral. Okay, let's do this. Ooh, this is sketchy. It's very sketchy. Alright, we're almost there. I don't know if you guys can even see. Alright. It's time to get out for now. Gotta open the doors. Listen, man, if it's one thing that this car is, it's smooth.
Which car is that?
The red one.
Oh, is that so clear enough?
Sure thing.
I want to go play with the horses. I'm trying to go pet one of them.
That.
Oh, wow.
It is big.
That's what she said.
Yeah, I think that's definitely 2 350s in a Miata.
Yeah, it's just how you compare theirs.
I don't know, something like that. Yeah, guys, that's the garage. I really was expecting it to be this big.
Which pull out and go left just a little bit.
Alright guys, so this is the new car. This is the Lexus IS 300, as I said before. It is a 2001, and let me just say this thing drives like an absolute dream. I've never experienced, I mean, don't look at that. That's gonna be fixed. Don't look at that either. Yeah, within like the month or so, this thing will be looking completely different. I wish I could express to you guys how smooth this motor is. Like, obviously it's a 2JZ GE. Let me see if I can find the hood latch. Alright, that is real hot underneath there, okay. Oh, let me put the stick down. This is the motor here. It's really clean in the engine bay. Obviously you got the throttle body there, intake box here, intake there, if this will focus. You got the manifold, and it starts up really smooth. It doesn't shake at all or anything like that. I'll show you guys right now. The guy said before the battery was not new, so I have no expectations right now. You know what? That's the wrong key. Alright. Oh, I gotta push it in. No? Hold up. Alright, that's interesting. Oh. That's my fault, guys. I haven't had a car with a key in a long time. Really, really smooth. It's already warmed up and everything, but like the motor is nothing shaking or anything like that. So, and it sounds really decent. So, obviously, their plans are this motor's gonna go, that ECU in there is gonna go, all of that. The automatic transmission there is gonna go. We're doing a full 1 or 2J swap, whatever we can find. This car is gonna be able to move. So, letting you guys know that right now. So, if anything else you guys want to see, let us know. We'll show it to you. Other than that, oh my goodness, I forgot the windows open. And you turn on the power. All the power works and everything, guys. Like all the lights and everything. It's really incredible. We got this for under $1,000. So I'm not complaining at all. Oh. But yeah, we're gonna leave this for right here for the next week or so. We're not gonna work on it for now because we need to gather some parts. I wasn't sure I was gonna get it today, so I need to make sure. But yeah, you can say this is our Christmas present. So from Monster Motoring to you guys, or you guys to us, this is our new project car. Enjoy Monster Motoring. I'll see you guys later. Okay, so we're in the Mustang. There's another Mustang. There's 2 Mustangs over there. You got like 5 down there. So many Mustangs. Hey, yo, Mustang. Mustang. Oh, you just give me the side eye. Alright, carry on.